Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you a very simple and quick method to create a new PDF file by extracting the specific pages from an existing PDF. And the best part is you don't need an extra software. We will use the built-in Microsoft Print to PDF feature. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open a PDF file from which you want to extract the pages. You can use any PDF viewer, Adobe Reader, Microsoft Edge, or even Chrome, etc. Just open the file normally. Like I am opening a file, PDF file, containing the smart syllabus of the first year, and I want to extract some pages from this PDF file. Second step is simply just print the file using a shortcut key ctrl+p. When you press ctrl+p on your keyboard, this will open a print dialog box. In the printer drop down list, you will have to select Microsoft Print to PDF. Next, you have to select the pages range. Uh, you will be having the three options. First one is for the single page. Second one is from the range of the pages. You can select even, odd, etc. Let's suppose I am choosing the pages range. So in this scenario, I am extracting the pages from page number 43 to 51. That's it. After selecting your pages, just click on the print button. A window will pop up and asking you where to save the new PDF file. Let's suppose I'm clicking on the print button. Here we go. Just name the file. First year. After that, just click on the save button, and that's it. You are successfully created a new PDF file using only the pages you have selected without installing any software. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.